Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you 10 essential qualities employer seeks for hunting best talent in marketplace. If you want to get the top of the list and wants to avail all the opportunities in market, then you should have all these 10 skills which I am going to share with you right now. But before sharing all these 10 skills, I would like to request you all that please subscribe my channel so you will be able to see all my upcoming videos. Skill number 1, communication. Clear speaking, active listening, and concise writing are key traits to effective communication within an organization. Every organization today are looking forward those energetic resources who have the art of communication in front of other people now. So if you want to avail all the opportunities in a market, then you need to keep upgrade your communication power as well now. I'm not saying that you should be a perfect in English language, but at least you should be able to convey your message in front of massive audience. Skill number 2, teamwork. In today's corporate world, all the employers are keep looking forward those employees who have the ability to communicate and who have the ability to develop a good relationship with other co-workers. So if you have the charisma, if you have the ability to work with other peoples, then I can assure you one thing, so many opportunities are waiting in your way now. So please make sure one thing, that start developing a trait in yourself, so whenever you will be moving towards in a corporate world, you will not be able to see any kind of surprises. Skill number third, emotional intelligence. Recognizing one's own and other people's emotions is the key for success. This will helps you to reduce the conflict between you and the other co-workers as well now. So please try to develop the emotional intelligence skill set in your personal brand statement, so you never knows that what kind of opportunities you will be able to see in your way. If you understand, if you know about how the other people are keep visualizing, analyzing, and how they think, how they predict, and what things are making them worst and what things are making them happier, then I can just want to say you only one thing, that this is the game changer skill set for your resume, your personality. So make sure as much as you are emotionally intelligent, the more possibilities are waiting in your way now. Skill number 4, creativity. In today's corporate world, employers are encouraging those employees who have the charisma for thinking out of the box and share new ideas and creating results, because everyone is keep looking forward not the hard worker, but they are looking forward the smart workers. So if you have the ability to think smart, to work smart, and produce the quality results within a short period of time, then I can assure you one thing, you will be seeing so many opportunities in your way. Skill number 5, computer literacy. In today's world, without getting the knowledge of computers, without getting the knowledge of digital literacy, you will not be able to see so many opportunities in this corporate world now. So if you want to gain the lots of opportunities, and if you want to achieve the opportunities as per your own expectations, then I can say only one thing, that digital literacy is the one of the key area which can give you the acceleration towards your career. So without the knowledge of computers, without the knowledge of softwares in any kind of job, sorry to say one thing, that if you will not be able to learn the computers, then you will not be able to get any kind of job in today world now, because today world is totally digitalized and you should have the knowledge of computers. Skill number 6, punctuality. This is one of the most important skill sets you need to adopt yourself, that you should be able to come up on time, and also needs to be keep performing as per your client expectations now, because client all the times will have a one thing in mind, that who else will be keep following the code of ethics and professional conduct with respect to company SOPs. So you need to make sure this thing, that try to adopt this habit and be punctual, be follow the code of ethics and professional conduct whatever the company have shared with you now. So make sure that you should have the charisma for following all these best practices. Skill number 7, adaptability. Employer all the time encouraging those resources who have the ability to perform different tasks, and they are willing to challenge themselves and to perform the different sort of activities whatever they are getting from their employed side now. So make sure this thing, that adjusting to yourself and willing to work for not only the office hour but also spend some extra time whenever there will be any kind of need will come, will always be keep giving you extra mileage in your company, and employer always appreciate such kind of resources whosoever will have the charisma in that context now. So make sure that you should be flexible enough to perform any kind of task. Number 8, learning new skills. In today's world, if you are keep learning the new stuff, if you are keep learning the new skill set, the more possibilities will be keep coming in your plate. But if you will be remain stick to the point, if you are not updating yourself, if you are not willing to learn the new stuff now, so sorry to say this thing, this will always be not giving you the area of improvement in your life. So those people who have the ability to transform themselves while keep learning the new stuff, they are the true people who will be becoming a part of any organization. And employed like this thing a lot, that whosoever will be keep empowering them and learning new courses and keep trying to helping the other people will always be differentiating you as compared to the other employees now. So make sure this thing that you should develop this skill set as well. Skill number 9, knowledge share with others. If you have the ability to sharing the knowledge with your co-workers, with your friends, with your juniors and seniors, this will always be keep giving you extra mileage again in front of other resources now. So in today corporate world, employer all the time seeking those resources and to try to promote those resources in higher positions who have the ability to share their knowledge, their experiences, their all the failures, or all their best practices, whatever they were experienced in their past. They should try to keep sharing those stuff in front of other people as well now. So don't try to be afraid of this thing that if I will be keep sharing my knowledge and my stuff, what will happen with me now. If you have the ability, as I already discussed this thing in the previous point, to learn the new stuff, then you will never ever feel yourself in a danger zone now. But if you will not be keep updating yourself, if you are not investing a time in yourself now, so definitely all the times you will remain in a uncomfortable situation now. So make sure this thing that sharing knowledge, you have the another powerful skill set you can adopt, you can develop in your personality if you want to become a part of any kind of competition. Skill number 10, leadership skills. This is one of the most important skill set, along with the other areas of skill set which I have expressed above. You should have the ability to develop the leadership qualities inside your personal brand. If you have the ability to lead the people in front, and you have the ability to accept the challenges, and if you have the ability to keep transforming other resources life and keep sharing the knowledge in front of massive crowds, and all the times will be not biased enough, and all the times you will have the vision and mission in life that I want to keep creating a value addition in my organization, then I can say only one thing here, that employed love to engage such kind of resources in higher positions now. So you need to decide this thing, either you want to develop a leadership qualities inside yourself or not. So I must say to you that please try to empower yourself, but this qualities, leadership qualities, can only come up in a stage once you will be keep investing the time, and your all the vision and mission should be only one thing, that I need to upgrade myself now. The more you will be keep upgrading yourself, the more possibilities with respect to leadership roles you will be able to see in your future and your professional life now. I hope that today's sessions you like a lot, and thank you very much for watching these videos. And if you want to see more upcoming videos, so please subscribe my channel so you will be able to see all my upcoming videos. Thank you very much once again.